way, you should remove the screws and then take out the plastic strip. And then press the button to wake up the doorbell and open the Clock Agent app. And add this button to add the doorbell.
Please power on the device.
Click next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
After you hear a sound of like bubble,
press the bell button and tap Next. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose the 2.4G network, then enter your network password. Please remove the protective film from your camera lens.
And then put your doorbell towards the QR code. You will hear a bubble again.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.